Welcome to Dress to Meet You. Today we're going to be making this pencil case. What you'll need is 2 pieces of coordinating fabric, some woven interfacing to give it some structure, rotary cutter or scissors, a zipper minus 20 inches, a ruler, some clips or pins. Cut your fabric to 19 inches by 4 inches. Now iron. Attach the interfacing to the outer fabric. Now that our interfacing is attached, we're going to separate the zipper and sandwich it in between the inner fabric and the outer fabric, right sides facing together. Top stitch just under the zipper. Now fold it in half so the raw edges are together. Reattach the zipper pull. And turn your fabric inside out. You're going to cut out a 1 inch by 1 1/4 inch square out of the corners. And these are the corners that are not the open end. Sew along the opening of the top fabric and the bottom fabric, leaving about a 2-inch gap on the lining. When you do this, make sure that your zipper is also in the open position. Now you're going to close up the boxed corners, clip them, and then you will sew them. Cut a piece of fabric 1 inch by 1.5 inches. You'll then fold that piece in half to make a crease, and then take the edges and put them together along the crease, and then fold in half again. Sew on both sides. Now take that little tab you just sewed, fold it in half, and tuck it just above the zipper in between the zipper and the outer fabric, and clip it. You'll then tuck and fold in each of those 4 corners and clip them all together. Sew across the opening. Now turn it right side out. And you're just going to sew that opening in the liner, and then you're completely done. Thanks for watching.